This video is demoing a workflow in the open source platform K-Dense BYOK. Today we're testing out the write a review article workflow, which comes preloaded with the program. To use out this workflow, you're going to need some data that you want to use as the subject. Here, I'm using a subset of human protein atlas data, and I'm using Kimi K3 as the LLM. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to cut out or fast forward long periods where the LLM is thinking or processing. The dataset I gave it was 1.8 gigs, and the actual runtime was about 35 minutes from start to finish. Once you launch the run, Katie, our orchestration agent, will analyze the data and let you know if it has any follow-up questions. Once it asks clarification questions, you have about a minute or so to answer the questions. If you don't, the run will proceed automatically with the recommended answers. As the session runs, all decisions, observations, and tool calls are logged in the Living Lab notebook, which I have at the center of the screen. The multi-agent system has built-in verification agents that make sure your data and figures are the highest quality possible. As Katie works, you can see files being populated in the sandbox on the left-hand side of the screen. You can click those files and inspect them as they are authored. The system is compatible with over 70 common code, text, and scientific file formats, and we recently added support for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. As deliverables are completed, Katie will let you know so you can open them and inspect them. You can use the edit tool in the upper right-hand corner of the lab notebook area to annotate and make direct edits to text and code files before exporting. You can also inspect specific variables within the chat, for example, when Katie is writing code or text. You can optionally use the chat to steer the session or provide additional information as needed. Once Katie does a final verification pass, she'll send all of the deliverables for inspection in chat, and you can click on those directly from the chat or navigate to the sandbox in the left-hand corner to open those up. Optionally, you can give Katie follow-up questions to further analyze or inspect the data, or request alternative deliverables.